Welcome everybody, welcome to the Charlotte Convention Center, and welcome to the first ever High Performance Expo.
It's all about high performance, all about, racing and vehicles.
Just all the interest and excitement of all the people around of having a show here in Charlotte, out on the East Coast.
Charlotte has an infrastructure unlike really any other area in the country.
Well, it's really great. Charlotte, so much racing anyway.
Racing, obviously, massive industry here, especially for the drag racing folks for us and the NASCAR side of things.
Yeah, it's only fitting for it to be in Charlotte, North Carolina, especially when you look at motorsports and the presence that it has.
This first of its kind event focused on the automotive aftermarket, and it has something for everyone.
Man, it is day one. We got 2 more days of this. I'm excited, and I want you to be too. We'll see you right here at the High Performance Expo.
So far, it's been great. Awesome turnout. A lot of great companies are out here. We've had some fun conversations with industry people, fans, just attendees. It's been a fantastic time.
General vibe, I would say that number one, this is an awesome area. I live here in Charlotte. NASCAR thing is obvious. We're right next door to NASCAR Hall of Fame. There's so many drag racing oriented things here. Where I live, I'm an hour and a half from about 3 or 4 drag strips. So it's really a great location for that. It's a beautiful city. It's always exciting at a new event.
Hey everybody, Tamsin here with Speedology Lifestyle Solutions. The crowd has been amazing, the vendors have been amazing, the speakers have been great.
My name is Albert. I'm with Quantum Machinery Group. I'm the president of Quantum. We're here at HPX in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is the first year that we do HPX here. Conversations have been great. So far, being able to talk to OEMs, manufacturers, and so on. It's amazing how many people need these types of tables for what they're building.
I think what's most critically important is you just have a curious mind.
The show's been pretty good so far. Got to spend some time with some other manufacturers as well. Had some attendees come in and talk to us about the product. Some knew about it, some didn't, so it gave us a chance to make those introductions.
Having a new event like HPX in Charlotte in a new location, that creates a lot of opportunities.
Lots of folks that are into cars, lots of folks that are into going fast, and that translates into new vehicles and production vehicle sales. So it's got the right mix to have a long stay for HPX in Charlotte.
It's great. So I've been on the board of the North Carolina Motorsports Association for over 10 years now, and we have been working to figure out how we can put together a convention where we can bring enthusiasts, lovers of all things motorsports into our great state of North Carolina, and specifically here into Charlotte, where we have the hub of motorsports. So this has been a labor of love and a passion for our board to put this together, and really the partnership with HPX, and they've made everything happen.
My name is Sage Thomas, also known as Dump Master. We are right here at Hendrick Motorsports. They are building motors behind us right now, trying to make some new horsepower.
If you aren't here, you've missed out. I'm telling you, 2026 is going to be bigger, better, and we're bringing a lot more cars. So we'll see you 2026, Charlotte, North Carolina, the 2nd annual High Performance Expo.
We're already signed up for next year. We're going to go with a bigger booth, so high expectations for next year. Going to bring a bigger crew.
I've been to the other big shows, and I think this was kind of the best because you're able to have a real conversation, you're able to get into business and really figure out what needs you have that other people might be able to service and vice versa. Made a lot of great connections here. We just did a panel with Ed and everything was great. So the way that you're able to communicate with people, super nice.
So that's a wrap on the first HPX from the Charlotte Convention Center. We'll be back next year, 2026. I hope to see you there.